And lots of people confuse right and left. So if that happens on the test, they'll redirect you. Important thing is that you're just really paying attention. Make sure you do mirror, blind spot. Got it. Right, left, right. Hey, it's me, Jacqueline.
Hey, me, Jasper.
And we are going to do another final driving test.
Yep.
Our goal is to practice all the safe skills you need to be a safe driver in a 10-minute chunk, because that's how the driving test feels.
Yep.
It feels kind of like an obstacle course. Do you feel that?
Yeah, kind of like, you gotta get over different things, like different challenges, like a challenge
It's
course.
reminding me of the 5th grade presidential physical fitness test. Do you remember that from 5th grade?
Oh, you mean the
You had to
pacer?
do so many sit-ups, the pacers.
Yeah, the pacer test, yeah.
Push-ups, pull-ups. So in driving, the main skills are speed control, traffic scanning, good steering control, good lane position, and then there's just a couple of parking things you have to do, like pulling over to park parallel to the curb, and then we'll end with parking in a parking lot. So let's do all of those things, starting with the pre-drive checklist. I'm going to call off all the car parts they're going to ask you about, and you just show me that you know where everything is.
Cool,
all
except
right?
the window wipers, because we don't want to knock the cameras off.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
Let's start with put on your left turn signal and turn it off. Put on your right turn signal and turn it off. Tap your foot brake. Perfect. Turn on your headlights and turn them off. And put on your hazard lights and turn them off. Excellent. All right, so after they do all those parts, they'll say, can you please show me your windshield wiper? And you'll just put your hand up there, show them how you would put that on. They'll say, could you please show me your defroster? Very good. Please show me your emergency brake. Excellent. Please show me your hand signals. And say out loud.
Oh yeah, left, right, and stop.
Excellent.
Using flat palm. Straight out, so like high five in the air and good.
I'm glad my pickiness has left an impression on you. All right, go ahead and honk the horn. No nice way to do that, but they want to make sure your horn works. Yep. Excellent. All right, then the examiner gets in the car with you. They're going to have the score sheet. They're going to evaluate everything. While we're doing this together, if there's something you can improve on, I will tell you. Otherwise, I'm just going to be sitting quietly next to you, evaluating you. And you're going to be sitting quietly next to me, focusing on the road.
Okay.
And you're going to assume straight unless I tell you to turn.
Gotcha.
Deal?
Gotcha.
All right. Go ahead and roll up your window. And let's pretend like I'm your examiner, and I say, please make a left lane change into the road.
Does this car do this? Oh yeah, it does do brights, okay.
And I really appreciate how you did that blind spot check, making sure. Oh, go ahead.
Does it ask me, does this car, do they ask you about your brights, or is that not?
You know what? I love that you're aware of that. Pushing forward on the turn signal makes the brights go on, but they're not likely to ask you about the brights during the test. I haven't heard about that. Nice. You feeling like your eyes are scanning your sidewalks? Good. They're going to be watching for your eye scan because they want to make sure you see everything they see. Nice. We are going to turn left at this next stop sign up here.
Okay. The roundabout.
At the roundabout, the traffic calming circle.
Europe. Do they drive on left in England, or is that all over Europe? I forget. I don't know. I feel like...
Yeah, all the English colonies.
Because we drive the Deutsche Welle on the right side of the road when we go.
Left turn signal.
What the hell did I just click on the end of my thing?
We'll stop. Right, left, right. Really get your eyes scanning. Good. Nice. Perfect.
I do have a question though. I clicked some button.
You did. It was a little tip button. It made our right camera go on. You can, yep, there you go.
Oh.
Nice.
Do they both have that?
Turn right at the stop. They don't. Make sure you do. Mirror, blind spot. Got it. Right, left, right. So So they're not going to remind you to do mirror blind spot. You're going to do it out of habit because you've practiced it so much it becomes intuition. Make a right at the stop. And where do you check?
Mirror blind spot.
You got it. And right, left,
I can creep up.
You got it.
Come on.
Nice. Excellent. Speed limit on this street is 30. Please make a left lane change when it's safe. And you started to go a little early, so I just want to remind you, you want to keep your thumb steady until you've checked mirror and blind spot, and then go. You got it. And we'll just keep going straight, looking for hazards. Your settled body position makes your passenger feel safe. Last time we were around this area, there was a big truck blocking the way that you had to navigate. So
I remember that.
this time, let's turn right at the light.
Okay.
Mirror, blind spot. And let's just hang here so we don't want to block the bike lane, right? Perfect. The gold certificate that I'm going to give you, this one that I just filled out, this is the one I was joking is your golden ticket. This shows that you've had your 6 hours of practice with me. But more important than the 6 hours of practice with me is the 50 hours plus practice with Dad, right?
More than easily.
So you just got to make sure that when you're driving with David, mirror,
yes.
blind spot.
I love how you've taken on the...
I love how you did it, yeah.
It's like you're calling Dad more than I do.
And then there's a secret trail back here. They only give you this yellow warning, but your eyes are scanning for pedestrians.
That's really cool.
It's a nice trail, but it's hard to see, and we just have to be on the lookout. Good. Doing good.
Ooh.
Big bump here.
Ooh.
Nice. And I need you to hold your full stop longer for it to count as a full stop.
Oh, okay.
You're slowing, and I know it feels to you like you've stopped, but it only counts as a full stop if you feel the full stop. Yeah. Here we don't full stop at all because we don't have a stop sign.
So this is blind on my left, so I always I drive defensively, I feel like.
Yeah. You just want to think about the gray car behind you. You don't want to stop too much. Turn right at the stop.
Okay.
Nice. Full stop. Right, left, right. Good. So that's the way we're going to do it every time. Full stop, look, and then go. Nice. When it's safe, make a left lane change.
It's like the ADHD thing. I can like assess everything around me.
I
Especially
know.
car, like the black car earlier.
When it's safe, make a left lane change. And I know you've talked about it before, that ADHD is your superpower, and I love how you approach that, but also stay focused.
Yeah, of course.
We're going to turn left at the light. Nice. Really good driving. Left into left lane. Tightest twist. You got it. We're going to keep going straight.
Left up here.
30 miles. We're going to keep going straight for just a minute. 30 miles an hour. When it's safe, make a right lane change. Other right.
Other right. Oh, moment.
Mirror blind spot. Good. And lots of people confuse right and left. So if that happens on the test, they'll redirect you. Important thing is that you're just really paying attention. Really good. What's the last skill we have to practice? The one thing we haven't done in this little 10-minute segment? Pulling over to park to reverse.
Alright, so let's do like over here.
Well, we have to find that spot. I'll find it and then I'll let you know where, okay? Running a driving school isn't easy. Between high operating costs, managing student requests, and delivering top-notch instruction, it's a lot. Zutobi Instructor helps smooth out your day-to-day operations with features like automated scheduling and online payments. You'll also get our best in the nation in-class and online curriculum with engaging videos, immersive driving simulations, and more. Driving schools all over the country are already making the switch and loving the results. It's super simple to get started. Visit Zutobi.com to book a demo or click the link in the description. Let's turn left at the stop. From this side street, we have a lot of cool painting to tell us what we gotta do. First, we stop, we look for people, and then we stretch. So go out the length with your wheel straight. We're turning left. Wheel straight. All the way out on your stripe with your wheel straight. Then
got it.
We go when it's safe. You got it.
Ooh, right here.
No, we'll keep going. I promise we're gonna get there. Actually, we can pull over and park right here. Check mirror, blind spot. And that's the perfect 3 car lengths we need.
Right here?
Yep. Nice. And I love how you can, before doing anything, twist more to the left with your wheel so you can get us straight. And go up a little bit more so that we're straight. Good. And then straighten your wheel. Your goal is to get a little bit closer. So put your car in reverse. Turn the wheel to the right slightly, just slightly. Keep your thumb here, just slightly. Good. And then looking behind you and in the mirror. Really good. And we just want to remember we just straighten by doing the opposite turn. Do you feel how we need to come out of that? Perfect. And then straighten your wheel. Good. And look behind you. And stop. Good. Car and drive. And a left lane change. Foot on the brake. Left lane change. Yep. And then we're going to turn right at the light.
Cool.
Really good. And do your signal. Try to remember 100 feet ahead. These little things that I'm mentioning to you, they're all going to count as a point on the test. So like, try to internalize it. Everything matters.
Hands on wheel.
Hands
stop
on
sign.
wheel. Full stop. Signaling 100 feet ahead. And then we're going to pull over and park. We're actually going to parallel park, maybe.
To the right. Okay.
Oh, no, actually we'll turn into that, but not in the exit, in the entrance. Good. Slow. And this is our turn. Good. Really good.
Well, yeah, the car goes crazy.
And gentle speed, 2 hands. Parking lot. Take the first spot you see on the left. Slow. Really good. Nice. Perfect. You did great. We did 3 practice tests. The same things keep coming up, so we're going to restate them. What do you need to do at a stop sign?
Stop all the way.
Full stop. You want to feel the settling of the car, and you want to look and make sure it's clear.
Yeah.
When you are making a lane change, keep your thumb steady until you're sure it's your turn to go. Wait till you're in your lane before you turn your turn signal off. All right, you're going to take and pass that test?
Yeah.
You're going to be a good driver for the rest of your life?
Yeah.
You're going to stay focused?
Yeah.
Yes. David wants grandchildren. Yes. Yeah. We want you safe. All right, dude. Having ADHD means that you have to be even more focused and aware, right? You're really super dude. You've got lots going on, but you want to stay focused when things are important.
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Cool.
Let's say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank you.